Want to copy a school classroom? Well, you're in the right place. This quick explainer will show you exactly how to do it step by step, and stick around till the end because we'll talk about some tools that might actually be a better fit for your needs. So let's dive in. First off, you'll need to understand what Skool is doing for its users. Skool is all about community learning and engagement, but when it comes to copying a school classroom, it's not as simple as pressing a button. Skool doesn't give you a direct copy option, which means you'll need to rely on a few creative workarounds. Next thing to consider, replicating the content. School classrooms are organized by posts and courses. To copy a school classroom's content, you'll have to manually copy each piece of content, whether it's a post, lesson, or resource. That means you can't just push a copy classroom button and be done with it. You'll need to go through each section and either re-upload or manually replicate the text and media. This can be time-consuming if you have a lot of content. The third thing, organization is key. Skool does allow you to organize content into different sections and modules, but copying everything exactly as it is can still feel like a bit of a hassle. If you're trying to replicate someone else's school classroom, you'll have to take a very systematic approach to get everything in the same order. Next, let's talk about the tools Skool provides. Skool is good for building communities, but it's not always the best for replicating an entire classroom from scratch, especially for someone who's looking to create a similar structure or course. It's not super intuitive when it comes to bulk duplication, and if you're running a business or scaling your content, you might get frustrated with the manual steps required. Now, let's talk about alternatives. There are other platforms out there that are just as powerful, and in some cases, even better suited for easily duplicating classrooms or courses. One competitor we've looked into has more flexible features for copying content and much better automation for building out multiple courses at once. These tools let you copy entire sections and even import content with a few clicks. So, if you're serious about scaling and replicating courses, this competitor could be your go-to solution. But before we wrap up, I want to share something special. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial of the software I just mentioned. And since we're all about giving you the best tools, we've also included some fantastic alternatives that are better aligned with your goals. And yes, they all come with free trials too. If you're looking for the most streamlined way to copy and scale your classroom, I've got you covered. Check the link in the description for the best deal, exclusive benefits, and free trials that'll set you up for success.